Exploring the concept of Ein Sof is a journey into the heart of Jewish mysticism, especially within the Kabbalistic tradition. Ein Sof, Hebrew, meaning endless or infinite, describes the boundlessness of God, the ultimate reality that transcends all human understanding and limitations of time, space, or form. This concept is deeply philosophical and mystical, representing the highest and most abstract aspect of the divine: the infinity of God. In Kabbalistic tradition, Ein Sof refers to God's state before any creation or manifestation. It is beyond description or comprehension, lacking any form, qualities, or attributes by which it could be defined. It is not subject to time, space, or any of the limitations familiar to the physical world. In other words, Ein Sof is a pure, indivisible, and boundless reality that exists beyond human conception. God before creation. Before creation, Ein Sof existed in absolute unity, without any distinctions between light and dark, matter and spirit, or any other dualistic concepts. The Zohar teaches that, in this state, divine light was infinite and indivisible, a key to understanding the transition from an infinite and transcendent reality to a finite and manifest one. Ein Sof is the state of God before anything manifests. The world we know, along with the spiritual realms described in Kabbalah, exists because God chose to reveal part of His light. This act of revelation, however, involved a process of limitation or contraction, the concept of Tzimtzum. Ein Sof is the pure, boundless light that precedes all things and underpins all existence. The infinite light. The concept of Ein Sof, infinite light, refers to the divine light emanating from Ein Sof. This light is not physical, but spiritual and metaphysical. However, as it is infinite and without boundaries, it could not manifest directly in the material world. This explains the need for a dilution or channeling of this light through emanations, called the Sefirot. Ein Sof, then, is seen as the source of all creation but remains inaccessible directly. It is so transcendent that no form of life or created intelligence can fully comprehend or contain it. The only way to interact with Ein Sof is through its revealed aspects, the Sefirot, each representing a different facet of divine light. Infinity and unity. Although Ein Sof is absolutely infinite, it is also radically one. This unity implies no divisions or separations in God, even after the act of creation. What appears as a universe of diversity and plurality is actually a manifestation of God's hidden unity. Thus, the multiplicity we see in the world is an expression of a single divine source. This idea that all reality originates from God's infinite unity is a foundation of the Kabbalistic view of existence. The Zohar, along with other mystical texts, teaches that everything ultimately belongs to this unity. The human challenge is to perceive the hidden unity behind diversity. The human role. As humans, we cannot fully comprehend Ein Sof, but we can draw closer to this reality through study, prayer, and spiritual practices. Kabbalah teaches that by recognizing divine light in all things and seeking spiritual unity with God, we can reveal aspects of Ein Sof in the world. This revelation is an ongoing process, happening as we elevate our consciousness and act according to divine principles. Reflection. The concept of Ein Sof is, ultimately, an expression of the incomprehensibility of God and creation. It reminds us that, no matter how deeply we explore the universe and spiritual reality, there will always be an aspect of mystery that cannot be fully unraveled. The ultimate goal of spirituality, according to Kabbalah, is to recognize and connect with this divine infinity, bringing light and unity into the world.